Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to install the latest version of Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system. So first we will see how to install the Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First open your favorite browser and search for Visual Studio Code and just hit enter. Then you will get this website code.visualstudio.com. So we just need to navigate to this website. Now here we have the download button. So just need to click on download button. Now here we have the options for Windows and other operating system like Mac, .db and RPM. So we are going to install it for the Windows 11. So click on Windows. So it will start downloading. If it is not started, you can directly click on this link and it will start downloading. So you can see it is started. It's just a 98 MB file. So let's wait till download complete. So we have download the Visual Studio Code. Let's install it. For that, open it into folder. So this is an exe file. So we need to double click on this file to install it. Now here we need to click on the run button. So you can see this window. Here we have to accept the agreement and just click on the next button. So this is the path where your all VS Code files will be stored. If you want to change this, you can directly go to the browse button and here you can change. I'm just keeping it as it is. Now next, click on the next button and here is the name, and again click on the next button. Here they are asking some option like register code, add to a path. So when we are selecting this checkbox, the environment variable will be set automatically, and this checkbox is to create the desktop icon for the Visual Studio Code. So I have checked the box and click on the next button and then install. So it is preparing to install. So let's wait till installation complete. So it is completed. Now let's click on finish button, and here you can see the desktop icon for the Visual Studio Code is created. So let's open it. So you can see the Visual Studio Code. From here we can create the new files. Then from here we can search, we can add extensions. From here we can debug and run our code from here. So in this way you can install the Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system. So you can see the version is 1.95. The previous version is this. So in this way you can install the Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system.